Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Playing sound on an HTML page enhances user experience by adding auditory feedback or background music. To achieve this, developers can utilize the audio element, which allows for easy integration of audio files into web pages. This element supports various audio formats such as MP3, WAV, and OGG, ensuring compatibility across different browsers. Users can control playback through built-in controls, or developers can create custom controls using JavaScript. Additionally, the audio tag offers attributes like autoplay, loop, and muted, enabling automatic playback or continuous looping of sounds. It's essential to consider user experience. For instance, autoplaying audio can be intrusive, so providing users with control over playback is recommended. Furthermore, incorporating sound effects can enhance interactive elements, making websites more engaging. Overall, integrating sound into web pages is a straightforward process that can significantly enrich the visitor's experience when done thoughtfully.